All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. This is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Right now, strong Yoruba Nation agitators have sent strong warning to Chief Sunday Igboho for trying to embark on a journey to Nigeria over Ilei's attack. Yes, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one reaching us. Right now, majority of people have actually expressed shock as Chief Sunday Igboho made an announcement that he will be coming to Nigeria in the next 7 days after he has given the Fulani killers men that had been disturbing the people of Iwerele 7 days ultimatum to leave the land. And a lot of people have actually reacted. We have a lot of reactions here that you are going to hear for yourselves. Though many people have expressed their happiness that Chief Sunday Igboho is coming home to save the people of Yoruba land from the hands of these killer S-men. While some set of people are hailing Chief Sunday Igboho, we still have some group of people who are of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho should not bother to come to Nigeria right now, simply because they are not sure of his security, that it is so risky for him to embark on this journey. A lot of people have actually reacted, though some group of people have made it clear that Chief Sunday Igboho is worth coming down, that nothing will happen to him, that it was God. It is God that actually made him what he is. That's why he's so bold, and he will continue to overcome all the enemy of Yoruba land. And meanwhile, some group of people have made it clear that Chief Sunday Igboho, we are begging you in the name of God, don't come to Nigeria now, because the government in charge is not happy. And then somebody made mention of President Tinubu not being happy. If Chief Sunday Igboho comes, he's not going to support Chief Sunday Igboho. I know a lot of people have a lot of things to actually say about this. This matter have been overflogged. A lot of people have reasoned it. Though it's so painful that people who never committed any offense, who are just trying to live their life, are now being killed at will by these same Fulanis. And then with the way everything had been happening, Chief Sunday Igboho is aware. He's seen everything. Just some hours ago, one of the leaders of these Fulani people in Iwerele came out, and he made it clear that he is not happy with what is going on in Iwerele, where his boys are killing our Yoruba people, that he is going to call a meeting so that they will put a stop to this. And then no, he spoke in Yoruba language. Majority of people were so bittered. They were so pained that you can imagine that this set of people still have the guts to to talk to the Yoruba people after they have killed a lot of people, even in a land that is not theirs. They still have the guts to sit down and be telling us all sort of cock and bull, that people that are supposed to have been sent packing out of Yoruba land, they still have the guts to sit down to say they want to settle some issues. My brother, my sister, how did we get here? It's so painful that Chief Sunday Igboho had to come in, that no, enough is enough. That if the federal government is not ready to fight for the people, for the innocent souls, If the governors are not ready to do the needful, then he will be coming down himself. Hmm. And he had made it clear, giving the Fulani killer S-men 7 days ultimatum to leave the land with every property they believe they have to another place, not in Yoruba land. Yes, a lot of people are so happy because as far as this movement is concerned, hmm, I don't think there is anyone who can do what Chief Sunday Igboho is about to do. Though we know we have a lot of powerful people in Yoruba land, but I'm not sure this set of people are ready to even try to come out to say boldly that they want to fight for their people. But it's only Chief Sunday Igboho. No wonder Chief Sunday Igboho made it clear that the only person that God has sent that is himself. And then we can see it clearly. Now, where is Dupe Onidoti? Can she come out boldly to say you want to fight for the people? That's exactly the difference between the real deal and the fake deal. Chief Sunday Igboho is the real deal. But right now, the people are not like, Chief Sunday Igboho, we love you. Why can't you just stay with your family and then allow these people to take care of themselves? At least they have governor. Let the governor fight for them. They have president. Let their president fight for them. That Are Ona Kakanfo of Yoruba land is there. What is his duty? Even though they have killed a lot of his boys, yet he's still keeping quiet. What is going on? Many people have expressed shock, concerns that, Oloye Sunday Igboho, we believe you. We know you are God sent. We know you are a very bold and courageous man. But this time around, we don't want you to come because we want you to be alive for us. No, a lot of people have said many things. I know you out there, you understand what this is all about. For somebody who had been in detention for this same Yoruba nation problem, for the sake of the fact that he is fighting for the people of Yoruba land. At the end of it all, he was arrested, detained 2 years. Now he just got freedom, not up to 2 weeks. This one is coming in again that he still have to say no. He must return to Nigeria, the same Nigeria that he was trying to be careful before he returns back to. But with what is going on, Sunday Igboho is making it clear that he is coming in and then nothing's going to happen. He is going to come in to save his people. Well, this is so serious. Majority of people have actually reacted in different forms. That this one that Sunday Igboho is coming down. That he has to be very careful. That we love him so much. Why can't you leave these people to fight for themselves? Or let the government fight for them? But the truth of the matter is, if we continue to say we're waiting for the government, it will not come. It will not happen. And the innocent souls are dying on a daily basis. My brother, my sister, this is so serious. Well, what do you think about this? I would like to have your own take on the comment section below. And then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right. Thanks and God bless.